Everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today I'll show you how you can create a pin and post on your Pinterest. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video. And yeah, let's get started. So you will just go to your Pinterest tab first, then you will see this plus icon below. Just tap on that plus icon, and then we will call ID pin board. So you will just tap on this pin option, and then your gallery pictures will pop up. So you'll just choose what pin you would like to create. So you can just any of it, and then you can, once you're done with your picture, you will just tap on this option called next, and then you will just give it, you have to give a title to your pin. You have to write the description. If you have your pictures or your content are connected with any of the website, then you can just add the website directly. So once your pin is created, if somebody taps on it, they can redirect your website so they can learn about it more. If you don't have, you can just tap on this next option. Once you're done with your title, description, website, tap on it, and now you will just choose one of the boards I have created here. I will just go with this wallpaper option, and yes, now my pin is saved. So to check the pin that you just created and posted, you will have to go to your profile icon below, tap on that, and then you will go to the board that you saved your pin in. So I will just tap on this wallpaper because I saved my pin on this board. Tap on it, and as you can see, here is the pin that we just posted. So tap on that, and you can see you also get the recommendation as usual, like you get on when you search something on Pinterest. And yeah, this is how you can create a pin and post your pin on your Pinterest app. So I hope this video has helped you, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.